Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Classroom and signing in with your managed Apple ID so devices recognize you as the teacher. Once signed in, tap Create Class or join an existing roster. This links student devices to your class. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled so discovery works. If devices are supervised, they pair faster. You're doing this now to gain control quickly so that you can see screens, share content, and organize students before moving into instructional activities. Once the class is selected, you choose students, either everyone or specific learners, to perform actions. Use Share to send a website or PDF. Open App launches an app on students' devices for synchronized tasks. Lock Screen and Blank Screen regain attention quickly, while Guided Activity lets you sequence tasks and lock apps during assessments. Make sure to monitor thumbnails for connectivity or off-task behavior, and adjust permissions if a student's device won't respond. This keeps class flow steady and predictable. To finish, end the session so student devices return to normal. Save any shared files to the classroom library or your Files app so resources remain available. If a student isn't in the roster, reassign or remove them using Apple School Manager so future sessions sync cleanly. If devices do not appear, restart the Classroom app, verify network connectivity, and confirm supervision or MDM enrollment. These steps fix most pairing problems. Keep this troubleshooting tip in mind. Restarting the device often restores visibility immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.